How QR code improves any business. I will show you critical things that you should know before starting working with QR codes. I will show you a 100% free QR code generator and show its pros and cons. If you want to include this fantastic tool in your marketing, you'll find all answers in this video. 11 critical facts you must know about QR code. First, you need to know about fundamental information about the QR code. What does QR code stands for? It is a machine searchable picture that you can read with the help of your cell phone camera. What it can do? When your smartphone checks the code, it recognizes the data into some actions. For example, here on the left you can see the code that I generated with the help of this application. And when I scan it with my camera, it recognizes it as a web page. But how does it read the data? A QR reader can understand a regular QR code based on the three huge squares outside the QR code, this one. Each QR code has a flag with the type. For example, it might be regular text, it might be a website, contact information, Wi-Fi information, phone number, text message, Instagram, WhatsApp, and some more types. For instance, if a person scans Wi-Fi barcode, it will automatically connect to the Wi-Fi, and you don't even need to provide real password and login for this Wi-Fi. QR code is also known as two-dimensional barcode or 2D code. As I said before, most of the time people use web links as a generated data. However, you can use a different kind of data. It can be contact information, like this. You can generate your email address. If you want to provide your phone number, you can use it as well. Some people leave a message like "send me an SMS when you come." After that person scans the image on his mobile phone and will open an SMS application. Let me show you how it works. It will open text message application with the text that had been put in the barcode. You can see it here. You just need to click send message. For this video I'm using an article from my website, 11 critical facts you must know about QR code. I'll put the link below. If you ask me how often people use this type of code, I would say that this is very popular nowadays. And let me tell you why. First reason is you will avoid writing mistakes. There is some risk of getting a problem by making a mistake in some data, for example, website, phone number or Wi-Fi. After you print it out, you can share it, and you don't need to write anything with your hand again and again. Besides that, after print your information on the piece of paper, you can't edit it. But if you use application like QR Magic app, you can edit the data even after printing the barcode with help of dynamic QR codes. Second very important reason that this technology connects offline and online advertisement. For example, print media, flyers, leaflets, boards and business cards don't have an immediate connection to your digital data. You cannot count how many people saw your advertisement on the board, but with the help of quick response code, you can count how many people scanned it from the board. After that, you can compare results and find the most profitable board. With help of quick response code, you can quickly transfer the users from offline to online, and there is no other tools that can help you with that. The third reason is digital marketing. You can use free tools for promotion or sharing information about your company. Code can connect a cell phone to the like button on your Facebook page. Another example is to send customers straightforwardly to your Twitter or LinkedIn page. It is compact, small and very easy to use. It gives you opportunity to connect with your customers directly from offline to online. There are some examples how you can use it. The fourth reason is Google ranking. It can improve the search ranking of your website. Sharing the information from the website can increase the position of the page. With the help of the code, you can improve this number. But I think one of the most important things here that you can get analytics data. In the case of the printed and classic advertisement method, it was challenging to collect data for analytics. The data was not accurate, but QR codes go above and beyond, allowing you to measure the performance of the marketing and transfer your data from offline to online. What are the pros and cons of using the barcode? The primary advantage of using this technology is simplicity. Nowadays, every person uses a smartphone. It is easy to generate this code, and most of the time it is free. Only one downside I can find in this case, that there is a possibility that your customer will not have his smartphone with him, or the reader feature will not work for some reason. Even if this technology is so widespread, many people still don't understand its purpose and how it works. So I would recommend leaving the option for this kind of people to ask sales associates directly. What is the price and how much do I need to pay for that? Let me show you some examples. It depends on the application. Let's compare two of them. Let's generate one barcode for testing. The security system does not allow me to make any recording of the screen while I'm working with this application. In that kind of application, some of the templates are not for free and you need to pay for that. You need to pay for fonts as well. Even if you want to add some colors, you will have to pay for subscription. At the end, when your barcode is ready, you will have to watch some advertisements. And for example, this is another application. You can do basically the same things as in the first application. You can choose background. You can upload your own background. You can choose any color, or you can upload your own color. You can put logo in the middle of the barcode. And you can add the text and choose the font. And it will absolutely for free without any restrictions. You can use dynamic code here as well. So it depends on the application. Some of them absolutely free, some of them have some restrictions, but for some of them you need to pay from the beginning. So it depends on situation. You just need to make a research to find the best one. I would recommend to use QR Magic for that, because it's absolutely free. In conclusion, I would say that QR code is just must-have in every business. Nowadays, everybody uses their cell phones, and QR code is a bridge between offline and online. But if you find the best solution, you need to make a research, because some applications are really free for 100%, but some of them are partially free. You can find the whole article on my website with more examples. I will put all links in the description below. If you find this video useful for you, you can put like, it motivates me to make more videos. If not, that's fine. If you want to know more about technology and how to save money on it, how to get the free tools for your business and for yourself, you can subscribe on this channel or follow me on the Facebook.